Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. This video is about angle properties of regular polygons. The question we have here today reads, sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 1800 degrees. Find the size of each interior angle of the polygon. The sum of interior angles of regular polygon is given as n minus 2 by 180, where n represents the number of sides of the polygon, and this is already given as 1800 in the question, so we equate it to 1800. Now from here we can determine the number of sides of the regular polygon. So dividing both sides by 180, we divide 1800 by 180 and the left hand side also by 180. So here 180 goes here once, 180 goes here 10 times, and the left hand side we have 180 and 180 cancelling, and so the left hand side remains as n minus 2 and the right hand side remains as 10 divided by 1, that is 10. So negative 2 can cross the equal sign so that we add it to 10, and therefore n is 12. Well, from here we can recall that the sum of interior angle and exterior angle is 180 degrees, and also the size of an exterior angle is obtained as 360 over the number of sides, and therefore using this equation here we can determine the size of an exterior angle, and that is 360 degrees divided by the number of sides, which you already have here as 12. So we are going to divide this by 12, and that should give us 30 degrees. So the size of an exterior angle is 30 degrees. Next, we are going to apply this formula here. The size of an interior angle is given as 180 minus the size of an exterior angle. So exterior angle has crossed the equal sign so that you have 180 minus exterior angle here. And therefore, the size of an interior angle, just as is required in this question, is obtained as 180 degrees minus the size of an exterior angle, which is already 30 degrees here. So we subtract 30 degrees, and that is 150 degrees. And so we come to the end of the solution to this problem. I want to thank you for watching till this end. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye.